Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first is the Konark Sun Temple is located in which state? The answer is Odisha. Here are some interesting facts about this Konark Sun Temple. In November 2025, the Archaeological Survey of India banned tourist entry into the Nata Mandap of the Konark Sun Temple in Puri district, Odisha. The Konark Sun Temple is located on the coastal line of Odisha. It is also known as Surya Devalaya and is dedicated in the Hindu sun god Surya. Historical texts show that King Narsimha, one of the Eastern Ganga dynasty, built it around 1250 CE. The next is which Indian naval ship, INS in short, is representing India at the multilateral exercise Malabar 2025. The answer is INS Sahyadri. Here are some interesting facts about this INS Sahyadri. In November 2025, the Indian naval ship INS Sahyadri reached Guam in the northern Pacific to join the multilateral exercise Malabar 2025. The participation reaffirms India's strong partnership and commitment to regional security and maritime cooperation. INS Sehadri is an indigenously built guided missile stealth frigate symbolizing the symbolizing the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. The 29th edition of the Malabar Naval Exercise began on November 10, 2025 at Goom, a key United States military base in the Western Pacific Ocean. The exercise involves the navies of India, the United States, Japan, and Australia. The next is the visible emission line coronagraph, that is VELC, is the primary payload of which Indian space mission? The answer is Aditya L1. Here are some interesting facts about this Indian space mission. In November 2025, scientists from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, that is IIA, collaborated with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA in short, to estimate key parameters of a coronal mass ejection, that is CME. They used data from the visible emission line coronagraph, VELC in short, payloaded to on board India's Aditya L1 mission. VELC is the main payload of Aditya L1, India's first solar observatory placed 1.5 5 million kilometers from Earth. It is an initially occulted solar coronagraph capable of imaging spectroscopy and spectroscopolarimetry near the solar limb. The next is, which ministry launched the dump site remediation accelerator program, that is DRAP, at fast track the cleanup of dump sites across urban India. The answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Here are some interesting facts about this dump sites cleanup across urban India. In November 2025, Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs Mohan Lal launched the Dump Site Remediation Accelerator Program, that is DRAP, during the National Urban Conclave 2025 in New Delhi. DRAP is a year-long mission mode initiative to fast-track the cleanup of dump sites across urban India. The program aims to achieve the national goal of Lakshya Zero dump sites by September 2026. Currently, 1,428 sites are under remediation, with 80% of legacy waste concentrated in 214 sites across 202 urban local bodies. DRAP will target about 8.8 crore metric tons of legacy waste at these locations. The next, last but not least, which state has become the first in India to launch a large-scale genome sequencing project focused on tribal communities? The answer is Gujarat. Here are some interesting facts about this project focused on tribal communities. In November 2025, Gujarat announced 2025 as Tribal Pride Year to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The initiative aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's efforts to promote tribal heritage through Janjatiya Gaurav Divas and sustainable development. Gujarat became India's first state to launch a large-scale genome sequencing project focused on tribal communities. Led by Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center under the Genome India Initiate, it studies genetic disorders caused by limited diversity and endogamy. It targets diseases like skull cell anemia, thalassemia, and G6PD deficiency through early diagnosis and precision medicine. This is a great effort that is done by the Gujarat government. It is really appreciated by all of us. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.